Hey everyone! Welcome to Madras Academy's Tech Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to make a pattern of LED using an Arduino Uno or Mega. We'll create the circuit physically, simulate it online, use block coding, and upload it to a real board. Let's get started. For the physical setup, you'll need an Arduino Mega or Uno board, a breadboard, any number of LEDs. I am using 7 LEDs, a 220 ohm resistor, and some jumper wires. Alright, let's connect our LEDs. First, take all your LEDs and place them on the breadboard. Make sure the shorter leg, the negative leg, of each LED is connected to the negative rail on the breadboard. The long side of the breadboard marked with a blue or black line. Now, take a 220 ohm resistor. Insert one side of the resistor into the same row as the negative leg of the LEDs and the other side of the resistor into the negative rail on the breadboard. This resistor will limit the current going through the LEDs to prevent them from burning out. Next, we need to connect the other side of the resistor to a GND pin on the Arduino. This GND pin will complete the circuit, ensuring everything works correctly. Finally, we connect the longer leg, the positive leg, of each LED to the digital pins on the Arduino. We'll start with digital pins 2 through 8. These connections will allow us to control each LED individually. Now, let's move to simulation. First, let's go to Google and search for Tinkercad. Just type it into the search bar, hit enter, and you'll find tons of resources to get started. Once you open Tinkercad, log in or sign up. Then click Create New Circuit. Now, let's build the same circuit virtually. Drag and drop an Arduino Uno into the workspace. Add a breadboard, add in 7 LEDs and a 220 ohm resistor, and do the same connection as done physically. And that's our circuit, exactly like the physical one. Now click on Code at the top right and select Blocks. Let's program the LED using simple blocks. First, use a forever loop so the LED keeps blinking. Then, inside the loop, add a block to set pin 2 to high to turn on the LED. Add a wait block for 1 second. Then add a block to set pin 9 to low to turn off the LED. Add another wait block for 1 second. Do this same till when you reach pin 8. And that's it. Our block coding is done. When we start the simulation, the LED will blink on and off every second. Tinkercad also lets you see the actual text code behind these blocks. Click on Blocks plus Text to view it. Now, simply copy this code from Tinkercad. If you don't already have it, install the Arduino IDE from Arduino's official website. Open Arduino IDE, paste the code into a new sketch. Select Tools, Board, Arduino Mega, 2560, choose the correct COM port, and upload the code to your Arduino board. And once uploaded, your LEDs will follow the pattern, just like in the simulation. And that's how you build, simulate, and upload your first Arduino Mega LED pattern blink project using Tinkercad, block coding, and real hardware. Thanks for watching with Madras Academy. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. See you next time. Bye.